Okay, so this is my FlashFloppy setup. Those are the jumpers. I basically crimped on a connector onto my existing cable. The existing cable connector 0, which is the one closest to the expansion interface, is plugged into my actual real drive, a Lobo drive. And I've got TRS-DOS 2.3 in here. And we're going to go ahead and boot. And you're going to see that lights up. This drive lights up. And we got DOS ready. So if I do a dir, we're going to see what's on this floppy. And if I do a dir :1, you also see the FlashFloppy light up, and drive 1, and we have these programs. And if I want to run dship, for example, which is a Death Dreadnought, it just simply loads and it runs. And that flashed and it worked. It's just amazing. And there's no way out. I noticed that. The brake, shift brake, enter brake, nothing. The pull lever is going to kill you. I know that already. Naturally you die. Yeah. So, looks like FlashFloppy is configured for drive 1, and I need to somehow make it drive 0 so that I can boot off of it. Oh, let's see if we can copy a file to it. That would be great. Yeah, I've got some blank files here. Let's see if I change this blank. There we go. I now have that set to a blank. And let's see what happens if I just do the dir again. Should show me no files. Perfect. So let's copy some files. Okay, I'm trying this command to see if that works. That worked. I guess it couldn't handle the too many spaces. Everything has to be exact. Yes! It did work. So I can, with this setup the way it is, not even booting off my FlashFloppy, I will be able to copy from my disk onto the FlashFloppy. That's fantastic. That's really good. I could see needing 2 FlashFloppies because I'd really prefer to boot off of one, and then you need to use the other one as a data disk because you know, you got to have DOS running at all times, because now I can get stuff off of here onto there. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this demo, please give it a like and subscribe. If you would like other videos like this, please add a comment telling me what you'd like. And feel free to take a look at some of my other content using the links here.